Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Steam checkout not working problem. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solution. The first solution is to delete Steam's cache file and turn off family view. To clear Steam's cache file, you just need to right click on the Steam and select open file location. In here you just need to search for app cache. You just need to right click on it and select delete it, and the file inside this folder are Steam cache files, and when we reopen Steam this folder will be recreated guys. To turn off family view you just need to close it up here and open up Steam. If family view is enabled there will be a family view icon in above or here. You just need to click on this icon and enter your pin, and after entering it select OK to exit family view. And now we just need to disable this guys. To do this you just need to click on Steam tab over here and select settings. Now select family. On right side family view click on manage, and now you just need to select disable family view, click on it and select disable family view, and now it has been disabled guys. That concludes the first solution. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to reset Steam. This general solution can help resolve the problem without deleting our games. To do this you just need to close it off the Steam, and now you just need to right click on the Steam and select open file location. In here you just need to select one of these folders and press in keyboard Ctrl plus A to select all of these files. Now you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl, and now you just need to uncheck this Steam application, and you just need to scroll up, and now you just need to uncheck this user data folder, and now you just need to uncheck the Steam apps folder, and now you just need to right click on other folders and select delete it. Now you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Steam is running in the background, that's why these files are not be deleting. So you just need to search for Steam over here in the task manager. Right click on the Steam and select end task, and now you just need to close it off here and select try again, and now that has been deleted. The files and folders we delete will be reinstalled when we open Steam, except these three files you just need to delete it guys. After deleting all of these you just need to reopen Steam now, and now when we reopen Steam it will be make a small update. Once the update is complete we will need to sign in to the Steam account again. Wait for it, it is updating. After finishing it close it off here, and now you just need to open up Steam. Now we just need to sign in our Steam account. After sign in Steam you just need to check your problem solved or not. Before finishing the video there is an alternative solution I want to mention. The problem is in Steam's app. Until Steam's developer completely solve this problem you can make purchases with Steam's mobile app. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.